ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So the last sutra what we saw was the Paribhasha Sutra, Sutra number
53.
53 we have to see. So षष्ठी स्थाने योगा तस्मिन् इति निर्दिष्टे पूर्वस्य तस्मादिति उत्तरस्य इति त्रीणि सूत्राणि परिभाषा सूत्राणि दृष्टम्. Now Uran Raparaha Sutra number 53 Uran Raparaha 1151 प्रथम अध्याये प्रथम पादे एकपञ्चाशत् संख्या सूत्रम्. उरन् रपरः उहु अन् रपरः. If you do padacheda sandhi vichedam krutva uhu an raparaha. Uhu is
Shashti vibhakti of ru.
Rikara. Rikarasya shashti vibhakti uhu, like pitru, pituhu, uhu. So it is an is adesha. Uhu is shashti vibhakti. An is pratama vibhakti. So an is the adesha in the place of u. An is the ayivu, ayivun, ayiu, that the pratyahara an, short an. So wherever or whenever an is ordained in the place of rikara, ra paraha, ra is repa, repaha paraha bhavati, repa will follow that. That is the meaning. Uran raparaha, right? So wherever rikara is replaced by an, there that rikara will be followed by that is sorry repa will be that an will be followed by repa. So in Yan Sandhi we have seen Brahma plus Rishihi, Brahma plus Rishihi, A plus R both are replaced by it's Guna Sandhi. So A plus R is replaced by what? R is replaced by, because it is Guna Sandhi, A is the replacement. So Akara will be a replacement for both and r, because r is replaced by a, repa is appended to it, right? So you have Brahmarshihi because of this sutra. So here raparaha is there. Suppose instead of repa, this is not instead of repa. Repa is there. Repa and lakara also. There's a vartikam to this. Lahaparaha iti vaktavyam. There's a vartikam. So it's not only repa. That is why again in Sandhi context we saw some example where it is followed by lakara. Let's see some example. It will be there, I think. It's rarely that as comes as a the language. Yeah, here it is. Tava plus likaraha. Tavalkaraha. So a plus l. So it is not only r, it is l also, both. So in the case of l, a plus l, that. Therefore, here what will happen? This gunasandhi, a plus l is gunasandhi, both are replaced by a, but likara is there. So therefore, not raparaha, laparaha bhavati. Lakaraha will follow the letter a. A is the akara is the replacement in the place of akara and likara. Therefore, lakara follows that. Therefore, al you get. Therefore, only tavalkaraha. Understand?
Yes, dear. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you see this, ruvarnasya, luvarnasya. So, luvarna also to be included because there's a vartikam. Laparaha iti vaktavyam. There's a vartikam. So, it is raparaha when it is rikara is replaced by an. It is laparaha when likara is replaced by an. An is a, e, u, short an. So, ruvarnasya, luvarnasya, adesha rupena vidiyamanat, avarnat, ivarnat, uvarnat. That is an. Anantaram, after that, nityam. Nityam what? Yathasankyam. Yathasankyam is, if rikara is there, repa will be appended. If likara is there, lakara will be appended. Lakara vidiyate. But Sutra says only repa for rikara. Because of vartikam, lu also is added. When lu is it is replaced by lakara. Example, if you see, I'll quickly read and explain. If something is in depth, that we will not see, just gloss over. Ruvarnasya sthane iti yukte rikarasya. Rikarasya means it can bring its all is savarna. Dirgha rikarasya and likarasya api. Because rikara, likara, savarnaha. Therefore, rikara can bring it savarna. By what sutra? By what sutra? How do you bring? Anudit savarnasya cha? Yes.
Apratyaya.
Apratyah, by that sutra. Even though the sutra here, if you see, uhu is rikara, which is a sthani. By rikara, we can bring it savarna, dirgha rikara as well as likara, because rikara, likara, savarna. Therefore, in the rikara here stands for it's savarna. So therefore, likaraha api, dirgha rikaraha api. So rikarasya, rasva rikarasya, atava dirgha rikarasya, likarasya sthane cha, yatra an adesha bhavati, an varnasya adesha bhavati, aniti yukte a, i, u, tasyapi, an means it can bring it savarna, an varnasya adesha bhavati. So if it is a or a, i or i, u or u bhavati, tatra tasmat anvarnat nityam repaha vidiyate. So an stands for all its savarna. But adesha will come only one. Okay. So an means akara, ikara, ukara. It can bring its savarna. Adesha is only one. So don't confuse with anudit savarna here. Tatra avarnat, when this adesha happen, that is when akara is the adesha ordained by a sutra, like gunasandhi, etc., then repa will be appended if akara replaces rikara, or if it replaces likara, then lakara will be appended. Therefore, ar or al. Similarly, ar or all, il or ir or ill, ir or eel, ur or ul. All these are possibilities. एवमेव लुवर्णस्य स्थाने यत्र अन्वर्णस्य आदेशः भवति तत्र तस्मात् अन्वर्णात् नित्यं लकारः अपि विधीयते. So रपरः is रे रः रेपा परः यस्य सः भवति. So repa will be added after which, what, which, that adesha. Adesha is an. सूत्रे प्रयुक्तः उभु इति शब्दः ऋ शब्दस्य षष्ठी एकवचनम् अस्ति. अत्र विद्यमानः ऋकारः सवर्णग्रहणं करोति. It can bring it सवर्ण. अतः ऋ इति अनेन ऋकारस्य 18 भेदाः सन्ति किल, तस्य ग्रहणं भवति, तेषां ग्रहणं भवति. लकारस्य च 12 सवर्णाः सन्ति, तेषामपि ग्रहणम् आगत्य 30 भेदाः निर्दिश्यन्ते. 30 letters, Sarna letters are possible. That is what, that is U stands for that. That U, that Rikara stands for that. If you see the example, Rasva Rikarasya sthane vidiyamanaha an varnaha raparaha bhavati. If Rasva Rikara is replaced by an, then Repa will be appended to it. For that example, Brahma plus Rishiki, Brahma Rishi, Brahmanam Rishi, Brahma Rishi. It's a samasa. Brahma Rishi is samasa. Brahmanam Rishi. So Brahma plus Rishi, if you do Sandhi, Brahma plus Rishi, A plus R, what Sandhi will apply? Gunasandhi. What does Gunasandhi say? Avarnat Ashipare Purva Parayavastane Kimbhavati. Gunadesha Bhavati. Right? What are the Guna letters? Adeng Gunaha. A,
A, O,
A, E, O. Adeng Gunaha. So Guna will be ordained. So here Brahma plus Rishihi, A plus R, both will be replaced by, why both? Because it is Purva Parayogo, that is Stani. Right? Purva Parayogo Stani Kim Adesha Bhavati? Guna Varnaha Adesha Bhavati. What is Guna letter? Appropriate Guna letter among the three. A, E, O. Akara is the appropriate one. How do you choose? Sthanentaratamaha. All the sutras we have seen, you have to remember. Sthanentaratamaha, right? Remember?
Yes, Jia.
So Akara will come. So when Akara is, that Akara is a part of an, therefore when it replaces both, Rikara is replaced, therefore Repa is appended. Therefore Brahmarshihi iti bhavati. Then similarly pra plus richati. You can remember this sutra also we have seen. What sutra? Upasargat hriti dhatu. Where did we see this? The Sandhi context. If you have the Sandhi chart, please see. Yes, we saw this. Upasargat hriti. What does it say? Without seeing the Sandhi chart, what does it mean? The example.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Yeah. Tell me, what is it?
Vriddhi Sandhi varun.
Yes. But what does it say, that sutra? Upasargat hriti dhatu. That given as an example here. What happens? By seeing the sutra itself, we can say.
Purva and para will be replaced by the Vriddhi letter. R.
Sorry, again?
The Upasarga ending with R, A is followed by Rikara Dhatu. Then the Purva and para will be replaced by the Vriddhi letter R.
Yes. By seeing the sutra itself, we can say. Because Upasargat, what vibhakti?
Panchami.
Riti is Saptami.
Mm.
And it is in 6191. 6191 is what adhikara?
Samhitayam.
Samhitayam, another important adhikara.
Purva Parayoho.
Purva Parayoho. So Upasargat, when we say that Antya Varna, Riti, when we say that Pratama Varna, so Purva Parayoga Sthane, and Rikara is Dhatu, belonging to a Dhatu. That is Dhatu means Kriya Padam. Okay. Kimbhavati, Vriddhi Adesh Bhavati. So this is Apavada to what? Apavada to
Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi. A plus R is supposed to, what is supposed to happen? Guna supposed to happen.
Yeah.
But Vriddhi happens. 6191, you can see. 6187, 6188 is Vriddhi. 6187 is Guna. 88 is Vriddhi. The Vriddhi goes as Anuvritti. 89, 90, 91, it goes as Anuvritti for many sutras. So 91 comes under the scope of Vriddhi. Therefore, Vriddhi Bhavati. Right? So therefore, this Guna Apavadena Vriddhi Bhavati. Guna Sutra is Ad Gunaha. Tasya Apavada Rupena Upasargat Riddhi Dhatu Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Akara plus Rikara is Vriddhi Bhavati. This is an example for Vriddhi. So, A plus R will be replaced by a Vriddhi letter. What is the Vriddhi? Vriddhi Radhij A, I, Au. So, what is the appropriate replacement? Stanentaratamaha. Akara. So, Akara now replaces Rikara. Rikara, when it is replaced by an letter, Akara is there, therefore Repa will be appended. Why Repa? Why not Lakara? R has got the Hal Bhakti Repa, therefore Repa is. Likara has got the Al Bhakti Lakara, therefore Lakara appended. That is why Rikara will get Repa and Likara will get this Lakara. Likara has got Hal Bhakti, the Hal component, Lakara. Even though they have Savarna, but the Hal Bhakti, the component is different. Therefore, so Akara plus Rikara will be replaced by A by this sutra, Upasargat Riti Dhatu. Therefore, since Akara replaces Rikara also, Repa is appended, therefore become R. Therefore, Pra plus Richati is Prarchati. Upasargat Riti Dhatu. By that sutra, when Rikara also is replaced by Akara, Repa is appended. Okay, that's what he says. Pra plus Richati, Prarchati Bhavati. Iti Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. Atra Akara Rikara Yoga Vriddhi Ekadeshaha. Akaraha, Akaraha, yet not Vriddhi Adesha, Akaraha, not Akaraha. Akaraha Raparahasan Vidiyate. Then the next example. Rikaranta Shabdanam Panchami Ekavachanasya Rupe Ritaha Ut. Ritaha Ut is, sorry, we have to see that Subanta, but not required here at this point. Just you can see. Sutrena Rikara Akara Yoga Ekadesha Rupena Ukaraha Raparaha Bhavati is an example for where Ukara is replacement for Rikara, there Repa is appended, therefore Ur you get. Therefore only Pituhu. If you see Pitru plus Ngasi, Pitru Shabda, Ngasi is Panchami Ekavachanam, then where what happens? Pitru plus As, here what happens? Ritaha Ut. Ritaha Ut. Ritaha Ut, there's a sutra. We have seen Ritaha Ut. By that, Rikara is replaced by Ur. Therefore, you get Pituhu. Other sutras will apply. That leave it. Ratsasya and all will apply. Ratsasya, Sakarasya, Lopaha Bhavat. Lopaha Bhavati, therefore Pituhu you get. This Ratsasya and all we will see. I think we would have seen this Ratsasya, I'm not sure.
No, Ji, no.
Okay, we will see that Ratsasya is later. Sayagantasya Lopaha is there. For that, there is a Niyamana Sutra, Ratsasya. That we will see. Example only this much you get. Then the example was Dirgha Rikara. Dirgha Rikarasya sthane Vidyamanaha an Varnaha Raparaha Bhavati. Rutaha Iddhatoho. You can see here Rutaha Iddhatoho, here Rutaha Ut 6. It is 6111. This is 71100. Rutaha Ut also, I think we would have seen. The Sandhi chart may be there, I think. I'm not sure. Rutaha Ut. You see the example. Rutaha Ut. Oh, this is specifically for, okay, Nasi, Nas. Okay, that also we will see. Subanta section it is there. We are going to see Ajanta section we will see. Okay, Ritaha Utbhavati. For Nas or Nasi, Panchami and Saptami, when the Pratyaya follows, then when the Akara follows of Akara follows, Akara of Nasi or Nas follows, Rukara or Livarna, then Ukara Deshavati. That is what the Sutra says. Ritaha Ut. That we will see. Anyway, next one. Ritaha idhatoho. This we have seen. Rikaranta dhatu will be replaced by it. So ru will be replaced by I. It means here takaraha is taparaha tatkalasya. The sutra. Ritaha it dhatoho. Here takara is only for limiting the letter ikara to only ikara. Should not bring it savarna. Therefore, takaraha is there. Ritaha means rikaranta dhatu will be replaced by I. Here ru is replaced by I, therefore repa will be appended, therefore becomes ir. You know, tru dhatu, what is the lat lakara rupam of tru? Okay, that is different. Okay, tru will become tarati. That is different. Yeah, tru is there, something happens, tarati it happens. Here if you take kru dhatu,
It's
kru
Kirati.
dhatu, kru will become rukaranta dhatu. It is
Kir.
replaced by
Ir. That is
It is
Kir.
replaced by here. Here there's a typo. It must be kru dirgha. So the ru will be replaced by ikara. Rukara is replaced by ikara. Dirgha rukara is replaced by ikara. Therefore, repa is appended. Therefore, you get kir, kirati. This is in Tudadigana. We will see this Tudadigana, the derivation and all. Already we have seen, but we'll see more on this. So you get kirati. Ru plus shap, not sha, sha plus t. This is Tudadigana, sha gana vikrana. Please note this is a typo. It must be kru, it cannot become rasva. It is kru only, it's a mistake.
Yeah.
So ru will be replaced by e, therefore you get kir, kir plus a plus t, kirati. In Mandaka Upanishad comes vikirati ga soumya. We will, I think we have not come to that mantra. Scatter, that meaning. Okay, I just said the tru will become tarati.
Yeah.
There, tru dhatu tarane, to cross, to swim. Oh, that meaning is the tru. There it is, ru is not replaced by ir. Guna will happen. Shap is antaranga karya. Therefore, tru become tar, tarati. Here, sha is there. It is not pit. It is sarvadhatakam apit. Therefore, guna karya na bhavati. Therefore, kru has to be replaced by e, by this sutra. Ritaha iddhatoho. Understand? Can you all
Yes.
follow what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yes,
Not something new. Already Ritaha iddhatoho in other Sanskritam class we have seen. Here the example it is given. We are going to see that anyway when we see the Tinganta later. But at least example sake, you need to understand what. It's not in detail, at least this. So on this example, you remember kru and tru. Kru there. Saradhartha kapit pratyasha follows, therefore guna doesn't happen. Since guna doesn't happen, therefore this sutra will apply. Saman 100 will apply. Ritaha dhatoho. Whereas in the case of tru dhatu, tru followed by shap, it is pratama gana dhatu. There are hangakarya happens. Hangakarya is antaranga. So, and also that sutra is 7384. It comes later. That we saw Vipratishere Paramkaryam. We spent a lot of time on that. 7100, 7384. Which one will apply? Will you apply 7100 or 7384? 7384 is
Later.
Huh?
384.
Vipratishere Paramkaryam bhavati. Therefore, tru will become tar. Guna happens there. That is an example. That is an example for again the guna. Tru will become tru plus shap. Tru will be, that ru will be replaced by the guna letter. What is the guna letter for ru? Among the three you have to select a, e, o, a. A will come. So replace ru by a. Rukara replaced by a. That is a is unlettered. Therefore repa is appended. Tarati, you get. That is also an example for this dirgha rikarasya sthane vidyamanaha anvarnasya udahanam. That also you can take. In that example, sarvadhataka adhidataka yogo, that is 7384 is applied, whereas here 7100 is applied. That example also you can take. Okay. You can note. Then Upadayascha, all the sutras we will see. This is next sutra to Rutaha Iddatoho 7100, 71101. Upadayascha, Upadaya also will become, he says. This Anir and all also we have seen. There, if you see, Ityanena Krut, that is Dhatu Krut, Dhatu Dirgharkara Sistane.
Excuse me.
Ranjit, Sutra
Excuse me,
Suchi is
Divi.
there.
Huh?
The
We are
screen
not seeing that Ashtadhyayi page.
How long you see that?
We
Not
not
the
seeing. I
beginning
mean, I
section.
opened the separate page and I was seeing, but yeah, it's not displayed here.
Oh, very good. From the beginning, it's going on like that. Okay.
Listening.
Then
I
how
have
do you
opened the
understand what
separate
I'm
page.
saying? Aha.
Yeah, I am was watching the screen in the
Okay, okay. Then all the examples what I taught.
No problem, GB. We've been following it only till the. Sorry.
Very good. That without screen, if you follow, I'm very happy that you understand what I'm saying then. Okay, anyway. See, I was saying this example, Brahma plus Rishi, there is this example we saw. Then Upasarga Dhriti Dhatu, plus Rachati Prarchati, that example I explained. You can go through this page later. Then Rita Ut, that example also we saw, where it is Rikara is replaced by Ut. Then Dirgha Rikara, this is what I'm explaining. Ritaha Iddhatoho 7100. Kirati you get. I just gave another example also. Through Dhatu also you can take where 7384 is applied. Guna happens. When Guna happens, then Akara replaces Rikara, Repa is appended. Okay. Then Upadayascha. So all these are many examples. Many places are there. We will see. Then Likara, Livarnasya Sthane Vidyamana Hanvarnaha Kimbhavati. Here not Raparaha, Laparaha Bhavati. That you have to change it. Laparaha. Lakaraha paraha bhavati. Kasya paraha? That adeshasya paraha. Adesha is anvarna. Anvarnasya paraha bhavati. Tava plus lakaraha. What's sandhi? A plus lu. It is guna sandhi. So for guna letter, akara will be the replacement. Puru parayoga sthane. And lakara is being replaced. Therefore, lakara is appended. So you get taval karaha. Similarly, gamlu, etc. Okay. Then that's it. Okay. This Dalakrutyam, we will see later. This is not required now. Dalakrutyam. All these are long discussion. So we will not spend too much time on this. This is since only a revision. So we will move on. Okay. Dalakrutyam and all later. We will see. Next one. Sthanentratamaha. Quickly, all these things quickly we have to run at least 10 sutras in a class because this is a revision only. Then only we will be able to move on further. Sthanentra tamaha says, Antratamaha is close proximity, right? Sthane, in keeping with the sthana, we have seen three things in that. What are the three things? You remember?
Prayatnam,
Hmm.
Uchcharanam,
Sthana, Artha,
Sthana, Artha, Guna, Pramana.
Very good. There are the four things we saw. Antratama, the proximity can be in terms of, there is an order. In which order it is? That's Sadrishyam.
Sthana, Artha, Guna, Pramana.
Pramana, yes. Sthana Sadrishyam. Sthana means what here? Uchcharana Sthana.
Sthana is like place of or
Pronunciation.
effort.
Yes. Place of pronunciation. Uchcharana Sthana.
Asya Prayatna.
Yes. Then Sthana Sadrishyam. Then next one is Artha Sadrishyam. Then
Guna Sadrishyam. Guna Sadrishyam is Bahya Prayatnam.
Bhagya Prayatam. Good. Yes.
And Pramana is like Haswa Dirgha Plutaha.
Measurement of time. Pramana
Time,
Sadrishyam. Uchcharana Kalasya Pramanasya Adharena Adeshaha. So this Stanentratamah, all this we have seen. Okay, we have seen in detail. So we need not again do it.
You can ask Lalita ji any question. She will answer everything.
Very good. I'm happy she's answering.
Because she has done all the
Yeah,
5, 6
we
sutras
actually we
continuously.
split into 7 and then yeah, each one did like 7. So
Very good. Very nice. Stanentratamah. So I don't have to explain then again. Okay. Antratama is Sadrishatamaha. Most Tama Pratyaya is added. Most similar. Sadrisha is similar. Antara is proximity, close. Sadrisha ityartaha. So Staninaha, in the place of Stani, one chair is there, many people have come. So whom will you ask to sit? To find the maplay only, first sit. Others will sit on the floor. So who is that person here? Aneke adeshaha santi, but Stani is ekaha eva. So therefore Sadrishatamaha adesha bhavati. You have to choose here. How do you choose Sadrishatamaha? Based on Sthana, and Sthana is Ucharana Sthana. Please note, Ucharana Sthana, the place of pronunciation. Artha Sadrisha is here it is meaning, Artha meaning. Then Guna Sadrisha, the word Guna here it is Bhagya Prayatna. Note that it is Bhagya Prayatna, nothing to do with the word Guna. It is Bhagya Prayatnasya. Instead of using the word Bhagya Prayatna, here we use the word Guna. Guna is Bhagya Prayatna. Then Pramana, that is Kala, Ucharana Kala, the time taken to pronounce. Rasva Dirga Putaiti. So Sthana Sadrishyam Bhavati. Okay, that's so Aneka Vede Anantare Sthana Sadharmimeva Virgitavyam. So Sthana Sadharmim is first. Okay. Then this is we have done. So I don't want to get into this again. This simple sutra, Stanentra. We have read that. Then Sandhi Prakaranam, we'll just quickly read from here only. Sandhi Prakaranam, what is Sandhi? Sandhi defining sutra is Parasamnikarshaha Samhita. Samhita is a word is used. There is no word Sandhi. Samhita is the only word. Samhita meaning Sandhi. And the Adhikaras are there. Samhitayam, many places you will see. Samhita in 3 places. Sannikarshaha is close proximity. Paraha Sannikarshaha. Samhita. Sanya Sutra. Then Samhitayam Adhikara is important Adhikara where deals with where the Sandhi Sutras are listed. Samhitayam Vishesaptami Adhikara Sutra. Then Ikoyanachi. Ikagastane Achipare Yanna Desha Bhavati. We know this. That much is revision. Quickly done. Echaha Ayava Yavaha 6178. Echaha Stane Ayava Yavaha Desha Bhavati Yata Sankyam Anudesha Samanam. So respectively that 4 chairs are there, 4 people are there. So they will sit correspondingly. That is Yata Sankyam Anudesha. That paribhasha also need to be applied here. Vanto I Pratyay. Okay. I'm not discussing all this Sandhi. We know it very well. We are Tani Patapada, so we don't have to discuss. Vanto I Pratyay. What does it say? What is Vanta?
Vakaranta.
Vakaranta. What is Vakaranta? You can just connect with 6178. What is Vakaranta? That is the Vakaranta. From the Adesha, we have to take Vakaranta. I, that you leave it. Ab and Av. Vantaha. Vantaha is what? Vibhakti.
1 1.
1. Therefore, it is Adesha. I Pratyaya means Yakaradi Pratyaya Pare. Follows what?
Yakara.
No. Follows what? Yakaradi Pratyaya follows. It follows. What does it follow?
O and out.
Echaha. Yes. Echaha comes as Anuvritti. Among the Echaha, you have to take O and
O and out.
Av. When O and Av is there, Vantaha will be the adesha. O will be replaced by av, and
Av.
av will be replaced by av.
Of.
Vanto I pratyay. Example we can see. Vanto I pratyay.
Gavyam and
Currently, the
Gavya and-
HOIY அது கொடுத்திருக்குல்ல, then why
Again, what is it?
exception.
HOIY அவகலையே அந்த அவ் அண்ட் ஆவ் வருது இல்லையா?
Okay.
இது ஸ்பெசிபிக்கா இந்த இதுல
இந்த இடத்துல
யகாராதி பிரத்யங்கிறதுக்காக வருதா அது? why it is
Yes,
specific
it is
சூத்திரம்?
Echo ayavayava is when achip follows. When ach follows, that is no pratyaya. Okay. When
Oh,
ach
okay.
follows, when a vowel follows h, then what happens? H will be replaced by ayavayava.
Ayavayava.
When ach follows, there it is the vowel follows. It's not a pratyaya also, and also it is a vowel. But here it is yakara.
pratyaya.
Yakara
So-
belonging to the pratyaya. Yat pratyaya, nyat pratyaya, right? All those are the pratyas. When and tadita pratyas, many are there, beginning with yakara. So when yakara the pratyaya follows the H letter, okara and aukara, they will get vanta adesha. Vanta referring to au and av. So o will be replaced by au and au will be replaced by av. That is vanta. So vantaha means au and av. That is called vantaha. Makaraha antaha yasya saha vantaha. It's Bhagavadigi samasa. Vantaha is vakaraha antaha yasya saha. Kasya? Okarasya stane okaraha aukaraha. Because okara is replaced by au. Aukara is replaced by av by the previous sutra. Therefore, that is what is referred to by vantaha. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So vantaha. Vantaha is the adesha. Vantaha referring to au and av. Au will come in the place of o and au. Au will come in the place of au. So vantaha iti. Yakaradi pratyaya pare. So aukara aukara yogo yakaradi pratyaya pare samhitayam vishaye tramena au av adesho bhavataha. Right? Example, go plus yat. It is a stadita pratyaya. O plus yat. Yakara. Yat is that condition is it should be pratyaya. And the pratyaya should begin with yakara. There what happens? O will be replaced by au. Therefore you get gavya.
Gavya.
Okay, there are many examples given. Now becomes navya, etc. Navam atmanaha ichchati. This is called namadhatu. Okay, I'm not just giving you what namadhatu is. You just know. Navam atmanaha ichchati. What is navam? Boat. The one. See, we are deriving a dhatu from a pratipadikam. That's called namadhatu. Deriving a dhatu from a pratipadikam. It is possible. We derive a pratipadikam from a dhatu. How do we derive a pratipadikam from a dhatu?
That's different.
Huh?
But we add that some pratyas along with that.
What is that? How do we derive a pratipadikam from a dhatu? What pratyaya you add?
Ik and stip.
Huh? Krit,
Ik
somebody
and
said. Krit. That's correct. Krit aditya samasa asya pratipadikam bhavati, right?
Dhatu nirdesha. Yeah.
Not dhatu nidesha. How do you derive a pratipadikam? Okay, you are asking about dhatu nidesha is different. And they are not talking about dhatu nidesha. That ikshtipo dhatu nidesha, that is different. How do you derive pratipadikam from a dhatu? By adding krit or tadita samasanta, right?
Tadita samasascha.
Now from a pratipadikam also you can derive a dhatu. That is called namadhatu. For namadhatu, kech is one pratyaya. There are some pratyas are kech is there, kyang is there, kamyach is there, some pratyas are there. These pratyas can be added to a pratipadikam. What is pratipadikam? Now is aukarantaha. I think now is aukaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Now, navav, navaha, you can decline. So now is pratipadikam to which kech pratyaya is added, and kech pratyaya to be added only in the sense where that object is desired for oneself. That's why navam. Navam is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Navam, that is boat, is desired for oneself. Navam Atmanaha Ichchati. In that sense, we are going to derive Pradipadikam. So now plus catch, when you add catch, the content is ya. Now yakaradi pratyaya follows. You can apply this sutra. Vanto hi pratyaya. How will become av. Therefore navya. Now navya is what? It's a dhatu. It's a new dhatu. So navyati, navyataha, navyanti. You can decline like Bodhigana. Navyasi, navyataha, navyat. Navyata, navyami, navyavaha, navyamaha. All the lakaras possible. You can do it. What is navyati? Yaha atmanaha navam ichchati. Navyati. The one, see, aham navyami, when he say, navyami itself is sufficient. I desire a boat for myself. Similarly, putriyati. Atmanaha putram ichchati. It desires a son for himself. Putriyati. Putriya, from putra we get the dhatu putriya. Then putriyati, putriyataha, putriyanti. Possible. So putriya is dhatu. Navya is dhatu. This is an example for navadhatu. Okay, just to make you familiar with what namadhatu. Anyway, we'll see in Sanskritam that class, non-ashtadhya class in detail, namadhatu, sananta, we will see. Here the example is to show that catch pratyaya follows, which is whose content is yakara, yakaradi pratyaya follows. Therefore, vanto hi pratyaya will apply. You get navya. So navya is a dhatu. By sanadyantaha dhatavaha, that sutra, it is the dhatu. Okay. And there are some pratipadikam that is not sorry, there are some vartikas that is not important. Next sutra we will see. So vanto hi pratyaya you can remember, because this is also Sandhi Sutra, but we don't see its application frequently. It comes only when yakaradi pratyaya follows. Therefore, we can discuss this much. This much is enough. Then ekaha purva paryoha is adhikara sutra. Ekaha purva paryoha, important adhikara. So samhitayam 6172, important adhikara. Ekaha purva paryoha, another important adhikara. Enga padantad ati. What is engaha padantad ati? Padantat engaha. Padantat is panchami. And engaha is also
Panchami.
Panchami.
So engaha padanta eng followed by what?
Rasvakara.
Rasvakara.
Ati is that. At. Pratipadikam is at. Rasvakara. Then what happens? Purva parivastane kim adesha bhavati?
Ekah purva.
Ekah
Purva.
Purva ekadeshah bhavati.
Purvaha is anuvritti. Is there? Where is that purvaha? The word, it is not here. See the Ashtadhyayi. Purvaha 61109.
107.
Purvaha anuvritti varde.
Anuvritti is there.
Yes.
Purvaha nachi or anuvritti to that sutra.
Yes. 6110. Engaha, Ami Purvaha, from that you get. Engaha Padanta Dhati. See the screen?
Yeah.
Ami Purvaha. From that, Purvaha comes Anuvritti. Okay. Enga Padanta Dhati. Ami Purvaha also we will see. In Subanta, we are going to see that. Akastavane Dirgaha 61101. This is Apavada to partial Apavada. So many things, Gunar as well as this. Etc. Akastavane dirgha. Akaha followed by akaha savarnak purva pariyosvani dirgha adesha bhavati. We know. Then vriddhiradej. This is the first sutra. Sanya sutra. What are the vriddhi letters? Then arengunaha. What are the guna letters? Then adgunaha sandhi sutra. Because here the sanya guna is used. Therefore, vriddhiradej arengunaha is inserted here. So ad gunaha we know. Ad is Panchami, stands for Akara, the akara means a also, dirgha also is included. So avarnat, achipare, purva parivastane, gunadesha bhavati. Similarly, vriddhi rechi says avarnat, echi letter pare, echi varne pare, h letter follows, purva parivastane, vriddhi ekadesha bhavati. Then yengi pararupam. What is yengi pararupam? When yang letter follows what? Follows
उपसर्ग आत् उपसर्गात् एङि धातोः पूर्वपरयोः एकः पररूपः
again. What is it? Say again.
आत् उपसर्गात् एङि धातोः पूर्वपरयोः एकः पररूपं भवति अवर्णन्तात् उपसर्गात्
Yes.
एकारादि ओकारादि धातुरूपे परे पूर्वपरयोः एकः पररूपः आदेशः भवति.
Yes. So the upasarga and all comes as anuvritti from upasargat riti dhatu.
Dhato at all this.
Yeah, upasargat, all those comes as anuvritti from.
Dhato at chi.
Yes. At comes anuvritti from adgunaha. Then upasarga comes from just now we saw upasargat riti dhatu. So this yengi pararupam is specifically for avarnanta upasarga, right?
Yes.
Followed by ekara, that is yang letter. Then purva parayogastane kim adesha bhavati?
पररूपः आदेशः.
Pararupaha adesha bhavati.
Example pra plus ejate prejate.
Pra plus ejate
Prejate.
prejate. Engi pararupam. Pra plus ejate, etc. All those things are there. In the Sandhi chart, you can see pra plus ejate. Then, if that is so, then I will ask
You.
a question here.
Ayyo.
Huh?
Ayyo.
People, you know it. What is that?
Sir, we have distributed 6
It's good, actually. It's okay. Don't worry. If you don't answer, others will answer. You're distributed, right? So, all right, I'm not able to type it. Yes. Ava plus ehi.
Avehi.
Huh?
Avehi, sir.
But you said purva rupam. What is that? Sorry. Purva parivastane kim adeshavati engi pararupam, right? So pararupam is
Yeah.
avehi, right? Avehi. Avehi or avehi?
Avehi only. No.
He only comes according to this Yengi Pararupam.
According to engi pararupam, it is
Avehi only.
avehi.
But it is something Appavada.
Yes. Apavada is there. What is it?
Apavada to vriddhi.
Vriddhi irukku.
Therefore, what will happen?
Avaisi.
Whose quota is that? Who is supposed to?
Parvati only.
Instead of avaihi, avehi will come.
Sorry?
Instead of avaihi, instead of vriddhi sandhi, engi pararupam will come.
Engi pararupam will come. Then, who is doing this sutra? Omangoscha.
Ayyo, adu nani sir.
Then you have to tell. Omangoscha. So, Avegi comes under Omangoscha. Here, Yehi is, if you have Sandhi chart, Sandhi chart here is clearly given. Anyway, we'll see here. Sandhi chart is okay. For that class you can use. This Omangoscha will apply. Anyway, we will see that. That example is. What is Omangoscha?
Omangoscha is avarnat om shabde pare. Am shabde pare cha. Samhitayam.
Pararupam will come.
Adesha bhavati.
Samhitayam, what rupam? Pararupa adesha bhavati, right?
Yes.
What is Yehi here? It is what is a dhatu? In dhatu.
In
Yeah. In Dhatu, yes, correct.
In dhatu has got having the ang upasarga. A plus in, right?
Yeah.
So therefore here it is what upasarga is ang. That is what you read now. Avarnath om shabde pare or ang shabde, right?
Yeah.
So therefore ang is here. Therefore ava plus egi. Ava plus egi, what will happen? Avehi,
Avehi only.
because here ang follows. And what does this says? Engi pararupam. Engi pararupam says
It also says the Pararupam will come as the Adesha.
yeah. What is for the that is for the dhatu beginning with ekara okara.
Yeah, correct.
Dhatu beginning with ekara ukara.
Mm.
That is the difference.
Beginning with A. Yeah.
Whereas Omangosha says Om
Om
Shabda
and,
as well as
Om.
Ang.
Yeah.
Ang is upasarga. So dhatu having the upasarga. Having the upasarga ang. In that case, what will happen? This pararupa adesha bhavati.
Okay.
So now Engi pararupam says Navarnanta upasarga followed by Eng letter Purva Paryavasthane Pararupaha Desha Bhavati. Right? Engi pararupam.
Yeah.
Omangosha, the very next sutra says there do we have the Avarnanta upasarga? Avarnath is there.
Only Avarnath is there.
Sorry?
Only Avarnath.
Only Avarnath only. So therefore Avarna followed by ang letter. That's all. The example is Ava is an example I gave. That happens to be upasarga. Only Avarna followed by ang upasarga. You see the difference between the two. Okay, let me. Okay, why should I confuse you? Now let me read that, then you will see.
Yeah.
Now Engi pararupam, quickly we will see this. Then you will understand the difference between the two. Why both are there. This Avehi, the example I give, Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yogat Avehi, that comes in Kaivalya Upanishad. Swamiji has given a talk on that. It's a very famous topic. Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yogat Avehi. Avehi or Avehi discussion is there. In some text, Avehi is there, some text, Avehi is there. Grammatically, it is Avehi. Avehi also, if possible, it is Chandasam. That is also possible. In Kailash Ashrama books and all, Avehi, I think it is given. So, but we can derive Avehi, if it is that is applicable, that we can derive by applying the sutra Omangosha, the next sutra, 6195. We will discuss, we will understand. Now you see, Engi pararupam, for which upasargat is anuvritti is there, at is anuvritti is there. Therefore, avarnantat upasargat. Engi, ekaradi, okaradi, dhatu rupe. Dhatu having the rupam, the form beginning with ekara, okara follows. Then what will happen? Pararupaha adesha bhavati. Fine. Then upasargasya ante vidyamanat avarnat paraha vidyamanasya dhatu rupasya ado ekara okara vidyate chet purva paryavasthane. It is apavada to vriddhi sandhi, we know. Vriddhi rechi will not apply. Vriddhim baditva pararupaha adesha bhavati. Example, pra plus ejate you said. Para plus ejate, parejate, etc. Fine. Then this is not required. Shakandvadishu, that is Vartikam is that we will see. Now the next sutra, if you say Omangoscha, that it says Avarnath, Om Shabde Pare, specifically Om Shabda or Ang Shabde Pare. Om is a Shabda, it's a word, specific Om is a word. Then Ang is a Upasarga, Ang Shabda. Pare, Samhitaya Mishaye, Purva Paryavasthane, Kim Bhavati Pararupaha Ekadesha Bhavati. Ityukte, Avarnath ityukte, Akarat, Ata Akarat. So A or A. What is the difference between the previous sutra and this sutra?
Upasarga. That is.
It is Upasarga. Here it is Avarna. Upasarga ending with Akara or Akara. Here there is no Upasarga. So Avarnath, just Avarnath. Pare Om Shabdaha Atava Ang Upasarga. Here Ang is Upasarga. The Ang belongs to Upasarga. Upasarga Ang follows. Follows what? Avarna. Vidyate chet संहितायाः विषये किं भवति? पररूपः आदेशः भवति. Om example, we have seen this. Shivaya Om becomes Shivayom. पूर्वपर्यवस्थाने पररूपादेश भवति. ओकार इति आदेश. Instead of वृद्धि शिवायोम भवति. Then ang upasarga if you take. धातुरूपस्य आदौ विद्यमानः आंग उपसर्गः, that ang upasarga follows what? Avarnat para vidyate chet. When it follows avarna, पूर्वपर्योगो एकादेश भवति. So here you can see the example. Adya plus ang plus inkati. Ang, a plus inkati. Adya is the word. Between the two, we are going to do sandhi. Ang, a plus inkati. Now, what happens? A plus a. Here is upasarga beginning with a, ang upasarga. So, what happens here? A plus a. Kimbhavati. A. Before that, you have to do this upasarga between these two sandhi. If you do adya plus enkati, adya plus enkati, now a plus a will become vriddhi. Vriddhim baditva kimbhavati atra pararupadeshvati adyenkati iti rupam siddhyati. You get the word adyenkati. Can you apply the previous sutra engi pararupam? No. Why? Because adya is not upasarga. Right? Adya is not a upasarga. Upasargat, avarnat, engi pare only. You have to apply. But here it is not upasarga. I just gave the example for ava plus egi. Okay. I think that also is given, I think, as an example here. Yes, here you can see. This why this example given, this because of this only. Yes, that is 6189. I'll explain this. See, this example you understand? Adyankati.
Yes, sir.
There, adya is not a
It's not a upasarga.
upasarga. Now, this is why I gave this example. This is eti edati utsu. You have to remember what is eti edati utsu. What is sandhi there? 6189. What's sandhi? Whose quota is this?
Oh, mine.
Yes.
I have.
I'm
What?
saying
No,
So-
it is Apavada to Pararupa Sandhi.
So what sandhi is that? Yes.
Yeah.
89. See the number.
Yeah, 6189. Yeah.
So what is by saying the number you can tell what is the sandhi before that?
Pararupa Sandhi.
No. What is the sandhi before that? What is
Oh,
6188?
okay.
What is 6188?
79.
no.
6188. What sutra? You have Ashtadhyayi with you. Please see.
Vriddhi Rechi.
Vriddhi Sandhi, right? Now you
Yeah.
see Ashtadhyayi. The Ashtadhyayi, that Vriddhi, up to where it goes as Anuvritti, you see. 6188 Vriddhi Rechi. It goes as Anuvritti up to 6189. Okay. And not 89. And next also it comes. Artescha also it comes.
Oh.
Right? Artescha also comes, and also Upasarga Dhriti Dhatu. That's not just that we saw just now, right?
Yes.
So that Vriddhi goes as Anuvritti up to 92. Not 89. It is Vriddhi Rechi 92. Up to Va Supi Apishalehe. Now Eti Edati Utsu. For that Vriddhi is Anuvritti, right? So for Eti Edati Utsu is Vriddhi Sandhi only. So there Eti is, what is Eti stands for?
Eti is in the.
Here it is Ikshipo Dhatu Nirdesha, Sangamitraji. Here it is Ikshipo Dhatu Nirdesha. In becomes Eti. So Eti stands for in Dhatu.
In Dhatu, yeah.
So now you see the example what I gave here. In Dhatu, this Egi is a form of in Dhatu, right?
Yeah, in Dhatu.
Why in? Because Ang Upasarga plus in Dhatu is there, and Lot Lakara form is He. So Eti, when you say, so it's in Dhatu. Now in Dhatu is here having Upasarga Ang. So now the question comes. If it is Eti Edati Utsu, right? Ehi is there, then will you apply Vriddhi Sandhi or
Yes,
will you apply
Oma.
Pararupa Sandhi? That question that comes.
Which one to apply?
Which one
89 or
to
95? 95 is the later sutra. So maybe in it apply.
Sapavada.
Eti Edati
Eti
Utsu. Now there is a competition between Eti Edati Utsu and Yengi Pararupam. Therefore, here it says
Yeah.
Omangoscha iti Eti Edati Utsu ityasya bhadakam bhavati. So Eti Edati Utsu, it is overruled by Omangoscha. Omangoscha, this current sutra, where it says Ang Purvaka Dhatu. In the example, Ehi is Ang Purvaka, right? In Dhatu. Ang Purvaka in Dhatu. So I give the example Avegi, he is giving the example Shivegi. Both are okay, no problem. Ava is Upasarga, Shiva is a word, it's a padam. So Shiva plus A plus E becomes A, that is Guna, Ehi, Shiva plus Ehi, Ang Upasargasya Ihi ityasya Ikaraina saga Gunadeshe Krite, Shiva plus Ehi, Asmin Avastayam, what sutra will apply? A plus A, will you apply Vriddhi Sandhi by the sutra Eti Edati Utsu, or you will apply Pararupa Sandhi by this Omangoscha? The question comes. Because Eti Edati Utsu says the form of in Dhatu, right? When it follows, then what will happen? Vriddhi will happen. So therefore here what will happen? A plus A, I must come.
Yeah.
No, I will not come. Iti anena vriddhi ekadeshe prapte tat paratvat bhaditva. The Parasutra of 6195, this sutra, current sutra, dismissing vriddhi adesha, pararupa ekadesha bhavati. Therefore, shivegi only will come. Therefore, avegi, shivegi. Understand? So, is it clear?
Elegy. Why it dismisses?
First, you have to understand what is
Oma.
Eti Edati Utsu. Eti Edati Utsu says Indatu, form of Indatu, when it follows what? When it follows,
Avarna letter.
then Vriddhi Adesha will come, right?
Yes.
Okay, Eti Edati Utsu, if you see. Avarnat, Indatoho, or then Edatoho, H varne pare. Tata Ut shabde pare samhitayam vriddhi adeshaha bhavati. So Edatu, you leave it. That is not required. So here, Indatu, the Indatu whose form beginning with H letter. Indatu whose form beginning with H letter follows the Avarna, then what will happen? Vriddhi Adesha will come. That is what the sutra says, 6189. Understand?
Yes.
Like Eti and
Example.
example. Like when H, like Eti and Eshi, etc.
Yes, exactly.
Of in dhatu,
Yes.
Edru dhatu follows an avarna letter in a sandhi situation, then both will be replaced by the vriddhi letter.
Vriddhi letter, exactly. So how do you get Eti? Eti from the Indatu. In plus tip you get Guna will happen, therefore Eti. What is Eti? Eti is the form of Indatu beginning with Ekara, right?
Yeah.
So that is what Eti, Edati Utsu. Now this Eti follows. Eti follows, say, Upa plus Eti. What will happen? Upa plus Eti?
Upaiti.
Upaiti.
What sandhi you applied?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
By what sutra?
Eti edati.
Eti Edati Utsu. Why don't you apply the same thing here? Ava plus Egi. What is Egi? Egi is not a form of Indatu with Ang Upasarga, but Ang Upasarga is there. Egi is a form of Indatu, but it has got Ang Upasarga. Therefore, don't apply Vriddhi here. You apply Pararupa Sandhi by this sutra.
Okay, Chief. Yes.
If you see the Sutra Pata, Vriddhi for Vriddhi Rechi, Yengi Pararupam is Apavada, right? For Vriddhi Rechi, Yengi Pararupam is Apavada, and for Yengi and for Omangoscha, this Omangoscha, Omangoscha for Omangoscha,
Yengi Pararupam is
Utsu is
is the
Apavada.
Apavada.
Eti edati Utsu is Apavada. For Vriddhi Rechi, Yengi Pararupam is Apavada. Then the next sutra, Omangoscha, says that Om as Ang Upasarga. Ang Purvaka, the dhatus are there. In that case, what will happen? In that case, example like this Ang Purvaka Upasarga is that, then Pararupa Adesha Bhavati. If it is a in dhatu, then if it is in dhatu, Uswam is beginning with H letter, then Vriddhi will happen. In that case, it is Vriddhi will happen. This we saw very elaborately before. So that here you can see, let me go here. Avarnath indatoho. This eti edati utsu. Avarnath indatoho. Ekare, aikare pare ekadesha. So indatu whose form beginning with H letter follows Avarna, then Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati. Example, Upaiti. Upa plus Eti, Upaiti. Upa plus Eti, Upaiti. Don't you apply Yengi Pararupam here? Don't apply. You cannot apply. Because for Yengi Pararupam, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. Understand? For Yengi Pararupam, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. So, Vriddhi is Apavada for Pararupa Sandhi. So it is like this. For Vriddhi Sandhi, Yengi Pararupam is Apavada. Yengi Pararupam is Apavada. For Indatu, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
6188 is Apavada. 6188. For 6188, Yengi Pararupam, that is 6194 is Apavada. And if it is specific, if it is Indatu, the form of Indatu beginning with H letter, for that, this Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. Back to the Vriddhi. It's not clear, I think. You follow?
Oh, yes, Ji. I follow.
See, Vriddhi Rechi is there, 6188. Now 6188, which is Apavada?
Yengi Pararu.
Yengi Pararupam is Apavada or not? What is the example for Yengi Pararupam? You said example.
Pra plus Ejati.
Upa plus Ejati, you said. No? Pra plus Ejati. What will happen?
Prejati.
Prejate. Prejate. Pra plus Ejate, Prejate. So Yengi Pararupam is Apavada. Now, same Upa plus Eti I am taking. Upa plus Eti. Upasargat, Avarnath, then H letter pare, A letter is there, Eti. Then why don't you apply Yengi Pararupam? Because Eti Edati Utsu is there. Therefore, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. That is with specifically for the in dhatu, right?
Yeah.
So you see the connection between these two. Vriddhi Rechi, that is 6188. Yengi Pararupam is Apavada. And specifically for in dhatu, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. Back to the Vriddhi Sandhi. Okay, let me type and show. Remove all these things. You can. That will see the connection between Utsarga and Apavada. Now, Pra plus Ejate. What Sandhi?
Prejati.
Yengi Pararupam.
It is Pra plus Ejate is.
Prejati.
Okay, let me give another, not this one. For Vriddhi Sandhi, what example we can take? If we take anything, it's a problem. Adya plus Ejati. What Sandhi is that?
Adyajati. Vriddhi, it will happen.
Adyajati, right?
Yeah. Vriddhi will happen.
Is there any doubt in this?
No,
A plus A,
yeah, will become I only.
I
Vriddhi.
only. So Vriddhi Sandhi.
Yeah.
Now, Ava plus Ejati. Ejate. Ej dhatu is Atmanipadi or Ejati, Ejataha, Prasapadi. Anyway, let us take, I think, Prasmipadi only.
And Ejati is given.
Given.
Yeah.
Okay, Prasmipadi.
Ejati.
Ava plus Ejati.
Avaijati.
It is Vriddhi or
Oh.
Pararupam.
That's what. Pararupam.
Pararupam.
Adya plus Ejati 6188. Vriddhi Sandhi is applied. Ava plus Ejati Yengi Pararupam. Avarnath Engi. The dhatu beginning with eng letter. Pura Parivastane Kim Adesha Bhavati. Pararupam Adesha. Therefore, Avejati, right?
Avejati. Yeah.
So what sutra here it is? 61.
6194. Yengi Pararupam.
Yengi Pararupam. So for 6188, 6194 is
Apavada.
Apavada. Now,
Sir, also Ava is Upasarga, no? That way also. we
Yeah,
can-
Upasarga.
yes,
Mm.
Upasarga. Yes, Upasarga.
Ava is Upasarga.
Upasarga, that comes Anuvrutti. At Upasargat. Yengi Pare. Right?
Mm.
Then Purva Parivastane Pararupamadesha Bhavati. You understand this, the two examples? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, you take Ava plus Ehi. Now you take.
Ehi. Okay.
What Sandhi is that? Ava
It
plus
is Lingatu. So with
Avaihi.
so
Egi
Roma
is
question.
Engi is Engi Pararupam. A beginning with A and Ava is
Oh.
Upasarga. So why don't you apply Engi Pararupam? Oh, okay, sorry, 1 minute. Let me give another example and then we will come this. Egi, now let us not required. Let me take Eti. Okay.
Eti
Not Engi, Egi, Eti will take.
Okay.
Then what will happen? Ava plus Eti.
Avaiti.
Eti.
It is.
Avaiti Vriddhi.
Why don't you apply Engi Pararupam? Avarnath Upasargat, Avarnantat Upasargat, Yengi Pare, Pura Paryavastane Kim Adesha Bhavati, Pararupam Adesha Bhavati. You have to apply Pararupa, so 6194, right?
94. But we are applying 89.
89 because Eti, Edati,
Edati,
Utsu,
Utsu.
specifically in Dhatu form is given.
Yes.
Therefore, Avaiti only. 61.
89.
First, you understand this. Is it clear? Parvati?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Eti specifically given. That is only for Indatu. For Indatu only this Apavada is given. Apavada to Pararupa Sandhi. Vriddhi is Apavada to Pararupa. First is Pararupa is Apavada to Vriddhi. Then we say Vriddhi is Apavada to Pararupa. First we said Pararupa is Apavada to Vriddhi. That the Sandhi Vriddhi is Vriddhi Radej. Later we say Vriddhi is Apavada to Pararupa. There the Apavada is Eti Edati Utsu. Understand?
Yeah, correct.
So by 6189, what happens? Ava plus Eti becomes Avaiti. Right?
Yeah.
Now, if you take Ava plus Egi, there what will happen? The question comes. Egi is also form of Indatu. Yes, but it has got
Ang
Ang
Upasarga.
Upasarga.
Ang Upasarga.
Therefore, will you apply 6194 or 6195? The question comes.
6195.
6194 says Yengi Pararupam says, see that Yengi Pararupam, which says Avarnantat Upasargat da Ekaradi Okaradi Dhaturupa. The form of the Dhatu beginning with Ekara or Okara, right? Understand?
Yes.
But here, Yegi is it with the upasarga ang, right?
Ah,
It
So
is
it cannot be applied.
dhatu, the form of dhatu is ihi only. In dhatu plus lot lakara, it is ihi only. But ang upasarga is a, therefore you get egi. So, therefore, in that case, what will happen? Omangoscha will apply. Omangoscha, the very next sutra to Yengi Pararupam, where it is says, Ang ascha, Ang shabde pare. When Ang shabda follows, then what will happen? Pura follows what? Avarnanta. Avarnanta need not be upasarga. It can be upasarga, it can be anything. It could be a shabda also. Shabda ending with avarna. So it could be a shabdanta avarna or upasarganta avarna. So then when ang follows, then what will happen? Purva parayoga sthani kim adesha bhavati? Param adesha bhavati. We have to say. Why this is required? Because that egi is a form of indhatu. Therefore, you may consider that it comes under eti edati utsu. No, it doesn't come under that. It falls under Avehi, falls under Omangoscha, which is 6195. So therefore, the difference between 6194 and 6195 is 6195 doesn't need the condition that the word must be a upasarga. It could be a upasarga, it could be a shabda, anything, but it must end with avarna, number one, right? And the following must beginning with ang upasarga. Here the dhatu being in dhatu, but it has got an ang upasarga. Therefore, eti edati utsu, that is 6189, cannot be applied. You cannot apply that. Then 6194 it says it is the form of the dhatu beginning with yang letter. But here the form of the dhatu is, it's not really form of the dhatu, it is with ang upasarga, right? Therefore, 6194 also you cannot apply. So 6189 you cannot apply, 6194 you cannot apply. What you have to apply is 6195 only. Understand?
Yes.
To summarize, I will say like this. Vriddhi Rechi 6188 for that, 6194 Engi Pararupam is Apavada, and 6189 Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada to Engi Pararupam, and 6195 is specifically for Ang Purvaka Dhatu, any Dhatu. Following what? Avarnanta. Avarnanta could be a Shabda or it could be a Sarga. So that is the connection between the four sutras. Yes, Parvati.
Sir, this ang dhatu is the upasarga. He only is there. Any other dhatus are there like this?
Sorry?
Upasarga.
I didn't get you again.
Ang plus in is yehi, the one we know. Any other like this are there with ang upasarga?
Any dhatu.
Okay.
Any dhatu with ang upasarga you can take.
Okay.
Here, why I took the example of egi is a form of the dhatu in. Then do we apply eti edati utsu? No. Because in dhatu whose form beginning with ekara, then it is yeti, yeshi, as somebody said, yemi. Those only are considered for eti edati utsu. If it has an ang upasarga, then you cannot apply eti edati utsu. That vriddhi sandhi you cannot apply. Can you apply yengi pararupam? Yengi pararupam says dhatu rupa which beginning with yang letter. Here it is ang upasarga is there. Therefore that also you cannot apply. Therefore what you have to apply? The very next sutra, Omangoscha says ang purvaka dhatu. The dhatu could be anything. The dhatu could be anything beginning with ang. In that case, what will happen? Pararupam bhavati. Pararupam is that ang upasarga with the beginning of the dhatu. The dhatu could be any dhatu. It could be any dhatu. Whether it is ajadi dhatu or aladi dhatu, whatever it may be. In that case, what will happen?
You can take agachati also, no? A plus gam.
Very good. You can take what sandhi will happen. Ava plus agachati becomes avagachati.
Ava
plus agachati pararupa sandhi, you can say. Ang purvaka.
Oh,
Say avagacchati. You can say yes, ava plus gacchati, ava plus agacchati, avagacchati. Suppose if it is there, you can take. Now you say omangoscha. Example, you can see this example we have seen adya. Here the specific thing is this ang, the upasarga follows any shabd, any word. It could be shabda or it could be upasarga. That is what the sutra does. So it has got a bigger scope. It has got a bigger scope compared to Engi Pararupam with regard to the dhatu having the upasarga ang.
yeah.
Okay. Why I said bigger scope is this ang purvaka dhatu follows a shabda. The shabda could be a upasarga or it could be a any shabda ending with avarna. So this has got a bigger scope compared to Engi Pararupam. Therefore, ava plus egi, for that you cannot apply Engi Pararupam. Why? Because ava plus egi, that egi is having ang upasarga, therefore omangosya should be applied. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah.
So Shiva plus egi, now you see. Omangosya iti, eti edati ityasya bhadakam. Eti edati, here it is, eti is in the form of indhatu, beginning with H letter. Eti, eshi, emi, etc. Now, ihi is the form of indhatu. With ang upasarga only it becomes egi. Can you consider that for applying vriddhi sandhi? No, you cannot do, right? Because ang upasarga is there. Only with ang upasarga that a plus egi becomes egi. Therefore, egi is not a form of indhatu. Therefore, vriddhi sandhi you cannot apply. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Therefore, ang upasargasya ihi ityasya ikaraina saha, then you do the guna, you get Shiva plus egi. Now the question comes, Shiva plus egi, eti edati utsu cannot be applied. Can you apply Engi Pararupam? Engi Pararupam says that Eng letter must be the beginning of the dhatu. Here that Eng is the because of the ang upasarga. Therefore, that also cannot be applied. That is what next point he says that. We will read that. So here he says, eti edati utsu bhaditva omangosya iti rupena pararupadesha bhavati. Therefore, shivegi comes. Now you say next point. Omangosya iti engi pararupam api asya badakam bhavati. Now, pra plus a plus inkati. Another good example. You can take this. A plus inkati. Atra ang upasargasya inkati ityasi ikarene saha pararupa adeshe krite a plus e becomes enkati. Now pra plus enkati. Will you apply engi pararupam or omangoscha? The question comes. It is ite engi pararupam iti anena pararupa ekadeshe prapte tat paratvat bhaditva omangoscha iti anena punaha pararupa ekadesha bhavati. Simple.
Yeah.
Omangoscha is 6195. Engi Pararupam is 6194. Right? So
Yeah.
when two sutras have applicability, then which one will apply? Pararupa is
Param.
the Vipratishere Param Karyam Bhavati. The same logic here also. Shiva plus Egi, here when Ava plus Egi, here if you apply Engi Pararupam, the next sutra is Omangosha also is applicable, which is 6195. So between 6194, Engi Pararupam, and 6195, this Omangosha, there's a competition. So between the two, 6195 is applied because it has got a wider scope. Paratvam also asti, and also it is this is not limiting to only to upasarga, right? Therefore, this has got a broader scope. Therefore, 6195 is applied. So, irrespective of whether the avarna belong to upasarga or a shabda, and also the dhatu form having the
Ang as a
upasarga. Specifically, it is there. Therefore, 6195 to be applied. Therefore, avegi, the rupam, you derive it by applying omangoscha. Is it clear? Therefore, the connection
sir.
between sutras you understand.
Yeah.
6194 is Apavada to 6188, and 6189 is Apavada to 6194, and 6195 is Apavada to 6194. You have to write this. Then only you'll understand. Then otherwise, next time when you read this, the same thing will come. I repeat again. For 6188, 6194 is Apavada. For 6194, 6189 is Apavada. For 6180, yeah. Then for 6194, 6195 is Apavada. Connection is like that.
6195 is Apavada to all the three, isn't it?
6195 is Apavada to all the three. So it is all connected, but yeah, you can say like that. Yes. Vriddhirechi 6188 is for that Vriddhirechi Engi Pararupam 6194 is Apavada. For 6194, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. It is specifically for Indatu. That is why to say Indatu specifically, right?
Yeah.
For Engi Pararupam, Eti Edati Utsu is Apavada. Then for Eti Edati Utsu, that Indatu, which is Apavada, is Omangosya. Omangosya becomes Apavada, and Omangosya is also Apavada to Engi Pararupa. Okay.
Omangosho is not Apavada to all.
That's what
Because
she
it
asked.
follows Om Shabda and Ang Shabda. Upasarga.
Yes, wherever
those-
Om Shabda, Ang Shabda is there, it will apply. That's all. So we cannot say it is Apavada to all. If we say Apavada to all, then everything will be negated and this will has to be applied.
Yeah.
It has to be applied provided the conditions are there. What is the conditions? It will be Ang Purvaka Dhatu and should follow the Avarna. Avarna could be a Upasarga or a Shabda. If it is specifically Upasarga, or then it is the form of the Dhatu, Eng. See, here the question may come. If Omangoscha covers a possibility of Engi Pararupam, then Engi Pararupam, why it is required? Not required, right?
Yes.
If Omangoscha covers the possibility of Engi Pararupam, then why Engi Pararupam? It is the sutra itself is based. No, it has got.
It's given here, J. Omangoscha iti sutram sarvesham sandhikaryanam badakam. It's given, no?
Where given?
Here in that script written here, no?
Where is it? Tell me.
They have given explanation for 1, 2, 3 here. After that, Ang Upasarga.
Kutra asti?
Above that Suchana. Above that Suchana, there
Suchana.
are 4 points.
Above Suchana, 4 points are there. Yes.
Yeah, above that there is a line.
Hmm.
You have to scroll still, J. Go up.
Okay.
More up. More. Still more. Yeah.
Oh, Omangoji Sutram Sarvesham Sandhikaranam Badakam. Oh, just Sarvesham Sandhikaranam Badakam, he says Akasavana Dirgaha Vriddhi Rechi. All those examples are given. Yes. All those examples.
Engi Pararupam is given.
Yes.
Yeah.
Under the provided the conditions are there, yes, it is Badakam Bhavati. Yes. Omangoscha is Sarvesham. It is Badaka to all the Sandhikarya, provided the conditions are there. Ang Purvaka or Om Purvaka. Yes. In that case, you say it is Apavada to all? Yes. In that case, it is Apavada to all the Sandhi.
Yeah.
So, Omangoscha is specifically for Om or Ang Purvaka Dhatu. If that is there, then this will apply. Okay. So this sutra is applicable when the Dhatu has got Ang Upasarga. If it is not there, then which one will apply? And which one will apply? And the following beginning with Engi Pararupam to be applied. You need Engi Pararupam there in that case.
Yeah.
If Engi Pararupam is not there, then you will not have the scope of applying Pararupam at all. Pararupam for the words for the Dhatu not having Ang Upasarga. Right? Therefore, there is a need for Engi Pararupam. Understand? Yengi
Yes,
Pararupam is required.
Mm.
Omangoscha also is required. Omangoscha, as I said, it has got a wider scope in terms of the Purva Pada beginning with, ending with Avarna, that could be a Shabda or could be a Upasarga. Specific thing is Ang Purvaka Dhatu. That is the only specific thing. If Ang Purvaka is not there, Yengi Pararupam will apply. If Ang Purvakam is there, Omangoscha will apply.
Yeah.
Understand? So you
Yes,
have to
yes.
write it like this. Generally, this will be clear. So
Yeah.
Yengi Pararupam is required because it is Apavada to Vriddhi Santi.
Yeah.
Yeti Yeti Utsu is required because it's Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. For Yengi Pararupam, that in the form of Apavada, it is there Omangoscha. This is the connection.
Okay.
ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಡ್ಸಿನೋನ ಅವ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಅವ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗಮ್ ಬರೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ
Ava-
ದೆನ್ ವಿಚ್
Yes.
should not take the savarna dirgha sandhi.
That's what is given here. You can see it down below. Omangoscha iti akastavane dirghasya badakam.
Okay.
Devasya alayah. Devasya alayah. Here deva plus ang plus laya iti sate. Akastavana dirgha iti anena savarna dirgha ekadeshe prapte tad baditva omangoscha iti anena pararupa ekadeshe bhavati. Yena devalaya iti rupam siddhyati. Here laya has got ang upasarga and follows the avarnanta shabda. So therefore a plus a, what will happen? Akastavani dirgha, which is 61101. Paratvat, that alone should be applied. No, if it is specifically the ang letter, ang purvaka dhatu or the form of the dhatu, then what happens? You have to apply omangoscha. Therefore only he says sarvesham sandhikaranam badakam iti. Apavada to savarna dirgha santi.
If you apply both also, the form will be the same, isn't it?
Form
If
will
you
be
apply
same, but specifically it is given. The sutra is there. This is Akastavani dirgha is 6101 and omangoscha purva. Therefore purva apavada.
95. Yeah.
So wherever ang is there, ang purvaka, you have to remember omangoscha. It is only specific for the ang upasarga, ang purvaka. Ang purvaka,
So also Om Shabda.
om shabda, yes. Om shabda.
And I
can see
should
here.
word
What is it?
only laya, like after
Your voice is breaking.
after only dhatu should come or what?
The form of the dhatu. Laya is also a form of the dhatu only, right?
Yes, sir. Only dhatu should come. Okay.
Upasarga will
So
add to
only
dhatu or
dhatu should come.
what you will add? Dhatu only, right?
Yeah. So, no, I'm asking,
Ah.
this rule is only for dhatu, sir. Some other word can come there.
Where?
Instead of laya.
Laya is a form of the dhatu.
Okay. Yeah, that is the condition. Dhatu form should be there.
Yes.
Okay.
So wherever this is, you can see here, Deva plus alaya, devalaya, ityadishu staleshu, akastavana dirgha 6101 ityanena, savana dirgha manyate chedapi, naiva doshaya iti bhagava vayyakaranaha pratipadayanti. So many vayyakarana says, even if you apply akastavana dirgha, it is not a dosha. Tat vidanam chatranam solabhyartam kritam asti. That is given for the sake of these students, easy doing, right? They're given. Solabhyartam is easy. So you don't have to scratch your head. You just apply akastavani dirgha and go away with it. No problem. Shastra drishtya tu savana dirgha baditva pararupa ekadeshena akara vidiyate. Shastra drishtya, strictly speaking, what you have to apply is pararupa. But akastavani dirgha is not a problem. It's okay. That is for the chatranam solabhyartam, for the easy. No, for comfort of the chatra, we can apply akastavani dirgha, he says.
Basic level le
Because the
akastavana
result
dirgha.
is same.
Yes, basic level, yes, you can take akastavani dirgha, but strictly if you follow, omangoscha only to be applied. Therefore, the example what you gave, ava plus agachati, there you have to apply omangoscha. It is not akastavani dirgha. But we say Akasmani Dirgha, that's not a problem, he says. Yes,
Yeah.
Vasanti ji, what do you say?
No, Ji, this both Omagosho and Savarna Dirgha, the result will be the same. Also.
The result will be same, but what you apply, that makes a difference.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
follow the rule. Yes, the result is same.
Yes.
The result is same. Yes. So in case of Akasmani Dirgha, there is no problem. In the case of other
Yes.
thing, it's a problem.
Yes.
Right? Other cases, it's a problem. Yes.
Karanji, one doubt.
Yes.
In that Sutra, Eti Edati, it considers only the form Eti of Indatu, the other forms are not considered.
The form of Indatu beginning with
Eti and Eshi of
the
Indatu.
form of the Indatu beginning with H letter. Vriddhi Radh, from that H comes as Anuvritti, right?
Hmm.
So the form Eti stands for Indatu. The Indatu whose form beginning with H letter. H letter is Eti, Eshi, Emi. These three forms are only possible if you do the
Eshi.
Latlakara form. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
then why are we not doing that Ava plus Yehi as
Ava
this?
plus Yegi, that Yegi is Ang Purvaka Indatu. Ang is that.
Oh, it is not there in Eti and Eshi. On in is always on Purvaka. No, Sharanji. No?
No. I think you are confusing with Ing Dhatu. Ing Dhatu Adi Purvaka Ing. In Dhatu is not always Ang Purvaka.
Okay.
Eti Edati, it's this Eti is there, Eshi Emi is there. It is not always Ang Purvaka.
Oh.
Ing
Okay.
Dhatu,
So
ing to study, which is Adi Purvaka Ing Dhatu. That is different.
Adi Purvaka.
Adi Purvaka. Okay, that you are confusing with that Ing Dhatu, and
Yeah,
also Upasarga is different. Upasarga
Okay.
is Adi Purvaka. Adhyaya, Adhyayanam, Adhyapanam, all those things we have seen, right? Adi Purvaka.
Yeah, okay. So this on comes only for Madhyama Purusha Ekavacham Lot Lakara only. Right?
No. Ang you can add for any, even for Pratama Purusha Ekavacham also, if you add, what the meaning will change. See, in means to go, Yegi means to come, Yegi iti have, Tamagotaya Svarachataha, we have seen in Mandakopanishad.
Okay.
Ihi means go. Yegi means come. The meaning of the dhatu changes, right? When you add ang upasarga. Gachati agachati.
Okay.
So ang, that upasarga changes the meaning of the dhatu.
Okay.
If it is ihi, it is not. The form doesn't begin with H letter. Therefore, you cannot apply eti edati utsu. If it is ihi, ava plus ihi, then what will happen? You apply what sandhi?
It's Guna Sandhi.
Guna sandhi will apply. There it is Guna sandhi. There is no question of the competition between vriddhi or pararupa. If it is egi, then it comes. Then the question comes, which you will apply eti edati utsu? No, you cannot apply eti edati utsu because it doesn't beginning with this ihi doesn't beginning with H letter.
H letter.
Therefore, guna will apply. Can you apply yengi pararupam? That also cannot apply because yeng letter doesn't follow ihi only. So only when ang is there, then ang plus e will become yehi. There again the question comes: will you apply eti edati utsu? No, you cannot apply because yegi has got ang upasarga. You cannot apply. Can you apply yengi pararupam? Yes, you can apply yengi pararupam, but there is a sutra next to that where specifically ang purvaka is there. That takes precedence over yengi pararupam.
Okay. Okay, Sharash.
Upasarga should be there. Yeah.
Upasarga.
Yengi Pararupam means Upasarga should be there. Otherwise, we cannot apply that rule also.
Yes, that also, yes, one condition, yes. Whereas Omangoscha, where Upasarga need not be there, Purapada, and Parapada must have Ang Upasarga.
Yeah.
Therefore, Ava plus Egi having Ang Upasarga, and Ava plus Egi or Shiva plus Egi, whatever it may be, then what will happen? That will apply. 6195 Omangoscha will apply. You get Pararupa Sandhi. Is it clear?
Yes, yes, Shravanji.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, it's a good discussion. Okay, you have to. Right.
There's one more on the Sandhi chatla.
Hmm.
Omangoshalir. Angtvam asti iti vibhavaniyam.
Yes.
But
Anktam
what is
asti.
that vibhavaniyam?
You have to assume that Anktam asti. Anktam is there for that. Okay, what is the Sandhi chart? We'll take.
8.4.
It is,
Asti iti be.
what's the number?
8.4.
8.4.
Should have the bhavame meaning.
Yes, it should be considered to be. Bhavanya means should be considered to be having
Have the bhav.
Tvam. 8.4, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me take 8 is there. 8.4 kutra asti. It comes later.
No, beginning, the fourth page.
8.4 or 9.4.
8.4.
8.4.
Before that Prakriti Bhava.
Before the Prakriti Bhava. I don't see. 1 minute.
They are all Pararupa Sandhi, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which file? Just see. Engi Pararupam, Eti Aditi Utsu, Pararupa Sandhi. Okay, it is 9.4, the latest one. 9.
Uh-huh.
That's what I'm searching.
Okay, change.
9.4. Okay. Pararupa Sandhi. This is what you are saying. Okay.
Last line.
Anktam asti iti bhavaniyam. Here Yehi is there. Here Yehi has got Ang. So you have to consider that Yehi has got Ang. Anktam asti iti bhavan. It is considered to be having Angtvam. It is considered to be having Angtvam. Yehi, don't take it as a it is as the to show the don't take it as the form of the dhatu. Don't apply yengi pararupam. You apply omangosha. For that this line is there. Yengi has got angtvam. Therefore, because it has got angtvam, therefore omangosha should be applied. That is what it meaning is. They have to consider that the yegi has got angtvam. Angtvam asti iti bhavaniyam. Anktam asti eva. Not there is no bhavaniyam. You don't have to consider it is there. Anktam asti iti bhavaniyam. Considering that yegi has got angtvam, ang upasarga, therefore omangosha to be applied. Don't apply yengi pararupam. That is the idea.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So please make it very clear you're understanding this 4 sutra, because it is a big discussion. Good discussion. So the connection between these sutras, Vriddhi and Pararupa. Vriddhi, Apavada to Vriddhi, Pararupa, Apavada to Pararupa is Vriddhi, and back to Apavada is Pararupa, and Pararupa is one Avamangosha is Apavada to Yengi Pararupam. That is how the connection is. So connection.
Also, you told your paribhasha, Purastat apavadaha anantaran vidhiyan badante na uttaran.
Yeah, Uttaran. Yes. That paribhasha, where did we see?
Here only you have told, I have noted. I saw why you told.
Here only, from this only I would have written the previous rule. The previous Yeti Edati Utsu. From that only would have sent, I think. Okay.
Yeah. Which one we should apply for that you have told? Which one? Yedati or Omangoscha. For that you have told this paribhasha.
Okay, from where I told, I don't remember.
Okay.
Okay, we'll stop here. I think 2 hours, huh? I think.
Sir, first ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಸಿಯಾ ಓಕೆ 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 ಅಂತ சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டேன் என்னோட பார்ட் புத்தி சந்தி அது அத்தோகுண ஆத்குண
I don't know whose part is that. Who is doing this?
Brahma.
This I'm doing.
Okay. Okay. If you have doubt, we will continue in the next class. That Anantara, that what Changamitra ji told, the paribhasha. I will see the paribhasha where it is.
That's not here in this page and all. I
What
don't
does
know
it mean?
where you told I have written this.
What is the connection here, that one? Read
And
it.
whether we have to apply the Yeti Yedati Utsu or the Omangoscha for the Upa plus Eki when it comes, which rule should be applied?
Hmm.
For that, you have given this paribhasha. Like I have written like the content like
Okay. Read the paribhasha again.
Purastat apavadaha anantaran bhidiyan badante no na uttaran.
That is different, right? Anyway, we'll see that. We'll see.
Yeah, no I have written like before Utsarga, there is should no immediate Utsarga has to be followed. Then if it is negated, not the father following rules of the meaning.
Okay, I will see that. Maybe that for Omangoscha, maybe it is there, I think.
For Omangoscha only I have written, yeah.
Yes. From here only I would have read if it is.
It's not there in this page at all. I searched where it is coming and
I also don't know from where I took and gave.
okay.
Let me check. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. I'm happy at least you all are working. It's good, very good.
அதனாலதான் இவ்வளவு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா கொஸ்டின் கேட்க முடியும்.
Yes, yes.
படிக்காட்டினா ஒன்னும் கேட்டோடய ஃபாலோ
Okay, silent
You can have 5 sutras like that and then discuss and ask question and don't limit only to 5 sutras. You don't wait for your quota.
Yes.
Yes.
No. We have to exchange others and we have to do it again. Other things also.
Yes.
We are posting in on our group.
Oh,
we have
WhatsApp
to
group.
post all
Very
the.
good. Some people are asking me to teach Sanskritam from basic. I can refer your name. You can do class.
Who, sir?
Some students. I'm not going to do again from the basics. New students. Those who come here for the camp and other, they're asking for basic class, Sanskritam class. I can refer any of your names. You can do. I'm going to continue only with whatever students I have now going on. I'm not going to do any new class anymore. The Sanskritam. Well, it's all available in the YouTube. If those who are interested, they can watch. Right.
You already started 3 groups, right?
That's 3. That more than that. See, I told them very clearly. This is not one batch is over. Next batch. I'm not doing like that. One batch, as long as it continues, it continues. That's all. Because there's a lot of things to be learned, right? It started with Akshara and now come to the Ashtadhyay level. Then Ashtadhyay will go for many more years. Then we a lot of other kavyas, etc. Those things are that we will learn. This will go on. So those who are interested, they can refer to the YouTube channel and learn. And those who want to learn directly, I can refer some of your names. If you're interested, let me know. I will suggest them to contact you. You can take class, right? What, Parvati ji?
Not me, sir.
He's already taking classes, no?
Correct.
She's already taking class.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you can do it, right?
No, sir. Time.
Time, okay. Let us see. If anybody is interested, Tangamitra ji, Vasanti ji, Rita ji, Rama ji, Sushila ji, you can tell me. I will refer your name.
Yes, yeah.
Teach பண்ணலாம் வராது.
I'll give the material. You can do. I'll ask them to contact any one of you. Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರೀಜಿ.
I'm happy that you're asking so many questions. Please do that like that, so that I am also inspired to teach. Otherwise, I'll be the person only speaking.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you understand or not. Good. Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Dhanyawad.